So dear all, today I will teach you how to work electronics parts and what is the name of the electronics parts. So let's go start today's videos. So dear all, here one circuit of industrial. So this electronic circuit I checking the parts and I name of the parts and how to work the parts about discussion all electronics parts. So this is optocoupler. So guys, here follow, this is optocoupler. So it is input side. So here LED input side and output side is high resistance connected. One terminal name is collector and one terminal name is emitter. So input side of LED input power 1.2 volt and output any power you provided, maximum voltage 50 volt. So primary and secondary or input or output, no electrically any connections, just input side is 1.2 volt. Now input one piece LED, open photodiode, and output side high resistance to low resistance when the input side is on or photodiode is on. So guys, this is IC, it is LM2003A model of non IC. So this IC using industrial level, many use. Guys, I know you about all parts step by step. So here integrated circuit or IC is working and just testing. Some IC you can check by the multimeter. So this is circuit used for industrial levels and maximum 2003 IC use industrial level, industrial any card, any motherboards. So guys, this is resistor and this is optocoupler. Here some IC. So here thermostat and it is pin. So one motherboard to another motherboard connected pin. This pin I showing you just ribbon jack. This is ribbon jack. It is connected one motherboard to another card or another any card to any card connected for use the pin. Okay, this is it is diode. So all diodes are discussing. Here some CPU IC and here 2003 IC 2 piece. Just some parts are motherboard cards. So guys, here this motherboard card some relays, it is 12 volt relays. So dear all, I will know you about next part.